how to show or hide suggestion cards in SmartThings Favorites tab on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we go down and tap on connected devices. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on SmartThings. Now tap on the menu key at the bottom. Then tap on the settings icon at the top. Next, we go down and tap on suggestion cards. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And here said show cards on the favorites tab to let you know about useful features. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.